Early next morning, in a light drizzle, Granny and Mani set out on the path to Nayan. Mani carried a small bedding roll on his shoulder. Granny carried a large cloth shopping bag and an umbrella. The path went through fields and around the brow of a hill, and then began to wind here and there, up and down and round, around, as though it had a will of its own and no intention of going anywhere in particular. See, children, the next morning, in a little drizzle, yesterday we have taken the meaning of drizzle. It's a light rain, yeah, light rain. And when it was drizzling outside, they went out for a path. Yes. And Mani carried a small bedding roll. You can see there a bed roll. Yeah. They are ready for the path with a bed roll. Who is the who carried that bed roll?
Mani.
Mani. And what Granny was taking, and what Granny was
shopping bag and umbrella.
Yes, shopping bag and an umbrella.
Umbrella. Large.
So next. Next one. You see the path went through fields. They started walking through the fields and the brow of hill. What is the meaning of brow here? A brow of the hill, and then began to wind.
What's meaning of brow?
Brow meaning is forehead. Yeah, or a temple
Around
you can see,
that.
or phones.
Around
Yeah,
hill.
yeah, around the hills. Brow of hills means the forehead. Above the forehead, you can see like this. You can raise your head and you can see the hills around you.
Okay.
Yes? So,
What do we call it for the meaning?
for meaning, you can take a person's forehead or a jog. Yes, a person's forehead you can take.
Okay.
Or a peak, top. Okay, these are all the synonyms for that. So brow of the hill, and then began to wind here and there, up and down, as though it had a will. They had a great will inside them that they have to go to the Nayan, to Mussoorie, then Mussoorie, and get back her specs. So that is a will. What is the meaning of will? What is the meaning of a will? Their aim. They have decided it. Their desire. Yes, will means. Tell me, what is the meaning of will?
Deciding.
Yeah, they are
Deciding.
particular about that. They have decided it. That's their will to go. Yes. And they have decided to go there. So they are very happy and they are not talking much. They started their path to the Nayan.
Yeah.
Travelers knew that area, often left the path. So, yesterday also I told you children that the path was very difficult and long. So few travelers, they have found a shortcut way to the Nayan. Yes, yesterday we discussed this. They have found some shortcut way to the Nayan after a centuries of trial and errors. They walked at the steady pace without talking. What is the meaning of somber sky? Yesterday we have taken the meaning this. S-O-M-B-R-E.
Dark and dull. Dark and dull.
Dark and dull sky.
Dark and dull in color.
Yeah, it was a very dark and dull sky. High in spruce. What is the meaning of spruce?
Special.
Yeah, special. And monotonously?
In a high pitch.
Yeah. So who was shouting in a high pitch there?
Barbet.
Barbet. Have you seen Barbet yesterday?
Yeah, ma'am, we saw it.
Yeah, it was very beautiful and colorful, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I thought it so beautiful, ma'am.
Yes. And then, except for the hiss and gentle patter of the rain, Money stopped to pick wild blackberries from the bush. Have you ever tasted blackberries?
Yeah, me. I have tasted cranberries, blackberries.
Yeah.
I also tasted cranberries.
So as they are, yes, very good. So as they are moving from the fields, as they are moving through the fields, he saw some blackberries beside the path. Yes, he saw some blackberries and he stopped there to pick some wild blackberries from the bush. Granny wasn't fond of berries and did not slacken her pace. Granny didn't like, she doesn't like the blackberries, so she was not slacken. Slacken means better relax. She was not relaxing, she was not stopping there to pick the blackberries. Yes, Ananya? Did Granny stopped there to pick the blackberries? Did she stop? No, she didn't. She didn't stop there. She didn't relax. She was, yeah, she was going on. Soon his lips were purple with the juice from the berries. See, his lips all became purple with the juice of berries. He was eating, yes, tongue and the sometimes children when we are taking some lollipops or chocolates or yes, what happens when we are licking our lollipops? Our tongue and lips also changes to that color, pink or purple, green color.
My teeth will be like that only, ma'am, if I eat.
Yes, when we are tasting that
Chocolates and all
chocolates
those.
or
Even
lollipops,
green.
yeah, even green color sometimes. Yes, so the same thing happened with the Money. His lips became purple. The rain stopped and the sun came out. Below them, the light green of the field stood out against the dark green of the forest, and the hills were bathed in golden sunshine. See, the hills were bathed. Who who were giving bath to the hills?
Golden sunshine.
After the rain, children.
They're bad.
Yeah, after the rain you can see the dust on the trees will be washed out and the trees will look so green. Yes, so green, and the mountains and the hills also will be washed out, and after the rain immediately if the sun shines it looks so awesome. Yeah, so the hills are also like that. It's are so the hills are so beautiful, they are shining with the golden sunshine. Money ran ahead a little. Why he ran? Because Granny didn't stop to pick the blackberries. She was going on, and she was far. She was now ahead. So now Money has to catch her. He stopped there. He picked some berries. He ate, and now he has to catch Granny. So he started running behind the Granny.
Yeah.
Yes.
Ma'am, one time like that happened to me. I was in the park with my mother and father. My mother was walking and I was there. There was a frog. I was playing with him. I was seeing it, and my mother ran, and my mother walked over. I saw, oh, I am left. I
You are
got so
behind.
fast.
You are left
Yeah.
behind. So you started running. Good.
Yeah.
So the same thing happened here. Yes. So the same thing happened here. Now I can see. Can you see? All right, Granny. He called, and he's questioning. He's asking to the Granny, "Can you see everything clearly? I can see the path, and I can see you white shirt. I can see your white shirt. That's enough for just now. Is he in the white shirt? Wait. Yes. Is he in the white shirt?
No, ma'am. He didn't green. Dark green.
But
Dark
even though,
green.
but
Green.
yes, but even though Granny is telling that I can see you clearly, I can see the path, I can see your white shirt. See how excuses she has with her. Now, well, watch out. There are some mules coming down the road. Mules? Yes. You can see in the next picture, page number 18, there are some mules and a driver with them.
Yeah.
Yeah. So mules coming down the road want money. Granny stepped aside to allow the mules to pass. They clattered by. The mule driver urging them on with a romantic song. Yeah, he is singing a song. Who? Mule
Okay.
driver. Have you
Yeah.
seen any group of mules or
Yeah,
sheep
ma'am.
going on the
I saw,
roadside with a driver? Yes.
I saw cows.
Yeah,
I saw
cows.
Mostly
sheep.
cows.
Yes,
I saw
yes.
When I
sheep.
was going to the school.
Yes, and the people who are going with these animals, no,
Mom,
they
I saw
also
horses.
make some sounds to um keep them in a proper so that the animals can move in a proper way on their own path. Yes, they'll make some sound. So here also the mule driver is singing song, romantic song. But the last mule waved towards Granny and appeared to be heading straight for her. Granny saw it in time. She knew that mule and ponies always preferred going round objects if they could see what lay ahead of them. So she held out her open umbrella. See here, the
Yeah.
last mule you can see there.
Yeah, ma'am.
It's so funny, right? Last mule was staring at Granny. Staring
Yeah.
at Granny, and Granny understood that mule is going to hurt her. Immediately, she opened her umbrella and she started poking that mule with that umbrella. You can see in the picture also.
Yeah,
She's showing
ma'am.
the umbrella and she is keeping away
This
the mule
like
from her.
Yeah.
Yeah.
this like this.
Yes. Even we also do that. If any animal is coming near to us, if we have
I run
stick
away.
or we even
Ma'am, I
take the
saw
stones to throw,
But I don't throw them. I don't hurt them. I
ma'am,
just
I
run
don't
away.
open it.
you run away. Good, good. So that's better. You can run away. Sometimes they catch us. Sometimes they'll come behind us. So the first thing we'll start crying. Oh, help, helps. Yes, we'll start crying and we'll shout, and some elders will come. If parents are with us, they'll help us. Yes,
Ma'am,
yes.
ma'am, one
Yeah.
time in Hyderabad, I I was going to shop alone and some dogs came and those
Oh,
are very big and they followed me and one
they
dog
chased you.
was
Okay.
ready to bite me.
Oh, huh. And what did
Is
you
she not?
do? What did you
I
do?
I stopped at one place and I kicked that dog who is
Oh,
bite
oh,
me.
you are really a Bahubali now.
Yeah, real.
You are a real Bahubali. Okay, fine. So let's come back to the topic, children. Here. So Granny opened her umbrella and she was keeping away the mule from her, and the mule cantered round it without touching her. Poor mole, thought Granny as she hurried after money. Perhaps it needs glasses too. The granny is telling Granny what Granny was telling, that the mule didn't see the path correctly, so the mule also requires glasses too. Yeah, the
Granny
mule.
should give her glasses to Mule.
So they have to take the mule along with them to the Masuri to get the glasses for it too, right? Okay, so they ate their lunch on the roadside in the shade of the whispering pine. So under the shade of a pine tree, children, they had their lunch. There were chapatis and mango pickle and a curry made from yams. Yam is a vegetable. They made a curry with the yam and pickle chapatis. Okay, they had lunch. They drank from the spring a little further down the path. They took water from the spring and they drank water. So for the this is enough for the day. Now get ready for the questions. A shower of questions on your head. Catch them and answer them.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
You have to raise your hand if you know the answer. No group answers, okay? How was the weather when Granny and Money started to the Nayan? I can see lots of first Arham raised hand. Yes, Arham. Yes, Arham.
It was
Ma'am?
It was drizzling. Good, good. And what was okay, Sahasra? What was Money carrying for the journey?
little bed.
Oh, little bed. Hansika,
Ma'am?
can you tell?
What was the question?
Oh, are you sleeping? Okay, I'm going to repeat it again. See, what was Money carrying for his journey?
A small bedding roll.
Done. Yes, Yashasvi. And what was Granny carrying with her?
A cloth of bag and umbrella.
Okay, cloth. Okay, next, Ananya Bhushan.
Yeah.
Yes. And can you describe the path? Huh. Describe the path. Path through went like fields. Huh?
There were fields and there were dark green forests near it and some leaves and trees.
Okay, fine. Good. And Azan.
Yes, ma'am.
One bird was shouting monotonously in this chapter. Can you name that bird? The other children can drop your answers in the chat box. Other children, if you know, you can drop your answers in the chat box. Kavish already started.
Ma'am, 1 second.
Yes, Azan. If you know all the answers, drop your answers in the chat box. Come on.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question once again?
Huh? I asked you the name of the bird who was monotonously. Yes. Barbet was calling monotonously. Barbet. The bird name is Barbet, Azan. Yes, yes. Good. See how many answers I'm getting. Rohin, everyone, Srikar Patel. Everyone are giving correct answers like Barbet, Barbet, Barbet. Good. And what is the meaning of somber? Not sambar, idli sambar. Don't think
Ma'am,
idli.
special.
It's a somber.
Ma'am,
Yes.
special.
No. Okay, barbet is done. Now somber meaning you type. Send me the meaning of somber.
Okay.
Sombre. Very good, very good. I can see which works. See now. Yes, yes, yes.
And
Yashasvi, Vishwak, yes, Hansika, Shanmukapriya. They have given the answers. Very good. Okay, the answer is dull, dark and dull. Dark and dull. Good. So, On the way to Nayan, Mani stopped at one place. Where did he stop and why did he stop?
Ma'am,
Huh?
ma'am, that is
I
not
want
the-
this answer from Kavish. He's busy.
Ma'am,
Yes?
ma'am told
Kavish, what was the question?
where did money stop and why?
Come on. Tell me the answer.
Money stopped to money stopped to pick the blackberries.
Mani stopped near the blackberries to pick the berries and he ate them. Good. Okay. Did the granny stop there to pick some berries? No, 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 no. Very good, very good, very good. Good. Good children. And on the way, they saw some animals. They saw some animals, right? So can you name them? Good. Good, good. Good. So right answer is, I can see fast answers, fast typing. Good, good. Lots of answers in the chat box. Very good. So the correct answer is mule. Good. And the mule driver was singing a song. What type of song he was singing? Romantic song. What was the song? What type of song?
Romantic.
Oh, somebody has typed here la 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 la. Okay, fine. Fine, children. So now you open your course book, page number 3. That's
Okay,
fine.
ma'am.
We had a great time with the Getting Granny's glasses. Yes? Did you enjoy today's class?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. So now take out your course book, page number 3. You have some meanings and bits to complete based on the reading. Getting Granny's Glasses, chapter 3. Come on. Based on your reading of the page 13 to 19 of the text Getting Granny's Glasses, choose the correct option to complete each of the following sentences. When Granny and Mani set out on the path to Goa, it was on the path to Goa or Nayan?
Goa? They didn't go at Goa, no, ma'am.
So what is the question given there? Read out the question once.
When Granny and Mani set out on the path to Goa, it is there, ma'am.
It was Goa. You strike it off Goa and write there Nayan. It's a printing mistake.
Okay.
Nain, Nayan. Come on. Done? Now you
Done,
tell
ma'am.
me, it was raining or drizzling? Which option you will select? What was the, yeah, number 2, that is drizzling, B.
Ma'am,
And
drizzling.
write the same thing in the box. High in a spruce tree, a dash called monotonously.
Ma'am, I already did this.
Okay.
Barbet.
Called monotonously?
Barbet.
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 Good. You can write, tick the barbet and write there.
B-A-R-B-E. Done, ma'am. B-E. Done, ma'am.
Okay. Mani stopped to pick wild dash from a bush.
Blackberries.
Okay.
Blackberry.
Okay.
Blackberry.
Yes.
B-E-G-N-I.
Done, ma'am.
Now see children, one more thing I want to tell you. These meanings I will share with you and the bits also, but you have to do one thing. Make sentences with the following words. Group B, you have drizzle. You have to find out the words. It's like a passage reading, comprehension passages. So you have to read the text. You have to find out wherever the drizzle word is there. That particular sentence you have to write here in the book. For
Okay.
example, early next morning in a light drizzle, Granny and Money set out on the path to Nayan. That sentence should be written here near the drizzle.
Ma'am, this one.
Yes.
Okay,
Group
ma'am.
B. And
Isn't
somber.
that-
And somber. See, somber
That-
here. You have to find out where is the somber. And that sentence you should write here in the book.
Okay, ma'am.
Flashes of red and green
Yeah.
against the somber
And
sky.
barbet. And barbet also.
Page number 3.
High in a
Yeah, course book
tree,
page
a
number 4.
barbet called Moran.
4 and 5. 4 and 5.
Yeah.
Homework or classes?
Yes.
Homework. This is group B's
Homework.
homework. You have to do it.
Yeah.
Okay?
Ma'am,
Huh?
We will.
in third page, we should write.
Yes. Page number 4 and page number 5, you have 4 sentences. You have to write 4 sentences. Page number 4, you have 2. And page number 5, you have 2. So you have to find the words from the textbook and complete the sentences. Okay?
Ma'am, this one also. Ma'am, this one.
That one I will share with you. Okay?
Page number 4. Okay, ma'am.
Okay.